Hello, fellow chartists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and let's do this. Let's do this technical analysis with SPY. Okay, so bears. I told you guys yesterday, right? If you guys gonna short this market, want to be a bear, this around this level is where you would do around the 458 level. Okay. Now you see that blue line. Let me move the moving averages because we're gonna talk about the moving averages in a little bit, but. Go to 4-hour chart, you see it better. Okay, so I said yesterday, guys, that this blue line right here has been a nice support for SPY since March of 2021. Back in September, it broke down. Okay, and I was looking for SPY to retest this before we get some decent pullback. All right, now do a little Elliott wave. Wrong one. Do a little Elliott wave. Here's wave 1. That's wave 2. Now wave 3 is the longest. All right. Now what comes after wave 3? If this is the end of wave 3, we should get a wave 4. And then wave 5 should break out this level and get us back up there, okay? Overall, I have a 470 price target for SPY, okay? That don't mean you just buy a call anywhere. You got to be surgical with this, okay? You want to find a good place to enter your position. Okay, I told you guys yesterday, because you know I'm not a perma bull, because you can make money both ways. If you just want to be a bull or just be a bear, you're limiting yourself from the potential profits you can make. However, being a bull in a bull market is simpler, okay, if you will. It's much simpler. Look at that strong sell-off, and there's the market is closed. Okay, so today, bears, you guys win. Okay, I hope you guys feeling good. And if you short it from the resistance line, like I tell you, you should have made a good amount of profit from 458.5. Okay, I had a 459 price target, but we was about 51 cents short today. The high was 458.49. It's okay. And this was expected. And so yeah, bears, good job today. I hope you guys had a good time. Now, are we switching over to bears now, or we stop being bulls? Well, let's bring back the moving averages, okay? As you can see, despite this nice red day, because there's going to be some red days, that's okay. We are trading above all moving averages, okay? We are trading above all moving average, and as long as we are trading above all moving average, the price action is bullish. So we should continue to be bulls in a bull market and look for buying opportunity, okay? I just want to let you guys know I have a Discord. And I update my members all the time before the market opens, okay? Now, where was today's? All right, here we go. So I was looking at 459 today. All right, the support today was 455. Okay, we didn't actually hit 459, but we got, we was just 51 cents short of it. You still made some profit, okay? Because we was buying calls all the way down here, okay? So we made a lot of money, so we can't get greedy. We gotta let the bears have their days sometimes, okay? But are we bears now after one red day? Of course not. We are trading above all the moving average. All right, now the reason why 455 to the 455.5 zone was my support was because that's the close of yesterday's, okay? This is where it closed. It closed at 455.5. Okay, that's how I find my supports. I look at the previous day's close, and if it breaks the previous day's close, that's when I use the moving averages. All right, as you can see, the 5-day moving average is at 454 right now. So 454 will help us out. That's a good zone to buy, and underneath that, I'd be a little more bearish. Okay, because we get a lot of bounces off the 5-day moving averages and a strong bull market. And right now, we are in a strong bull market. Okay, so bears, you had your day today. I told you guys you want to short from this line. Okay, but as of right now, as long as 54 to the 455 zone holds, I think we have more upside, okay? I think we could break this resistance level eventually. Will it happen right away? No. What I want to see is some basing, some consolidation, maybe move sideways, possibly a bull flag. I would like to see that. Okay, and that would align with our Elliott wave theory of the fourth wave, and then we can go for that fifth wave to my 470 price target. Okay, of course 470 is not the next level. I think we're gonna hit 461 to the 462 range first. So that's my immediate next price target. Then after that, we'll see if we can test 470. Okay, so as of right now, price action is still bullish. Look for buying opportunities. Okay, because if this level get tested again, there's a high chance we break through it. This is a very strong bull market, guys. All right, but like I said, I like to see the 5-day get tested again, or possibly some bull flagging. Okay, now underneath the 5-day moving average, if we break the 454, our next support level will be down here at this previous high right here, which is at 447. Okay, so if you're a bull and the 5-day moving average does not hold, look to enter there. If you're a bear, of course, if the 5-day moving average does not hold, look to take profits over there. You guys understand? Okay, so overall, I am bullish, and I will be looking for buying opportunities. Now we take a look at the VIX. All right, VIX is not trading under all the moving average. It's actually building some bullish momentum. We have this outside day candle. If you don't know what that is, please look it up. Okay, it represents a high volatility with the VIX right now. Okay, and this is a bullish outside day candle, and it has 10 minutes left, but I'm confident it will close above the 5-day moving average. So when that happens, that's low bullish momentum building, but also it came and retested its breakout level, and it got rejected there. So we have signs of bearishness. We also have signs of bullish momentum building. You guys understand the difference? It's not bullish. It's just bullish momentum building, and that's something that we want to pay attention to, especially when the SPY is at a critical resistant level. Okay? So don't panic. Don't switch it up just yet. Okay, I'm not seeing anything bearish on the SPY. I'm just seeing, or I'm hoping for some buying opportunities. Come back down and test this, and if that doesn't hold, I'll cut my loss and I'll look to enter there. I may even write a put contract down to this price target. Okay, all right, but y'all do what you want. I'm just, I'm sharing with you guys. I want to be transparent with you guys about what I'm planning to do and what I'm going to do. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? Although I've been pretty accurate, and I hope you guys have been making money, because what's the point of me doing this if I can't help my viewers, okay? I gotta help you guys if you guys allow me to help you. I'm not the star, okay? You guys are the star. I'm just your assistant. So if you guys subscribe or been watching, thanks for letting me be your assistant, okay? It means a lot to me. All right? So, bottom line, if you don't get it by now, actually, look, this is a previous high right here. You see that previous high right there? This is a previous all-time high, and aligned right with the 5-day moving average. Okay? So I will be looking for buying opportunity here. The 5-day moving average has also happened to be the previous all-time high, and if that doesn't hold, I will cut my loss, and I may switch to short-term bearish, and I'll probably take profit around 447 and probably switch over and get bullish and look for buying opportunity at that level. Okay, you guys get it? All right, so the VIX is still bearish, but it's building some bullish momentum. SPY is still bullish, but we're getting rejected at its critical resistance level. I want to see it base just under it, so we can make SPY can build more energy for that next leg up. Okay, my next price target in a bullish scenario is 462 and then 470. Bearish scenario is come down to test 454, and if that doesn't hold, 447. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's SPY. Let's move on to triple Q. Triple Q looks awesome. Broke out over here, retested, and went up higher. However, we had a nice sell-off as well. It hit the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, if you go long on something, you guys don't want to enter around the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, that's usually where profits get taken. People take profits around upper Bollinger Band. So don't, I don't know if you guys did, but I hope you guys didn't. Okay, and as you can see, it didn't even come and test the 5-day moving average. So triple Q, like SPY, is still very bullish. Don't let this one red day make you panic. Okay, the 5 days at 376.6. I will look for buying opportunities there. And if that doesn't hold, I'll look for more buying opportunity at 371, which is the breakout level. Okay? Now, for me to be bearish on triple Q, I have to see this breakout level not hold. Okay? Because then it would equate to a false breakout. And if we get that false breakout, I'm going to start betting to the downside. Okay? We have support here at 370. And 366, and this gap down here at 361. Okay, so we have a lot of downside if this is end up being a false breakout. Okay, I don't think we'll get a false breakout. I think it will continue to hold, but of course I can be wrong too. I know I'm not wrong often, but definitely I can be wrong. Okay, and you have to cut your loss and respect your stop loss. Okay, but as long as 373 holds, I'm going to continue to be bullish and look for buying opportunities and try to ride it up. We hit my 379 price target. I told you guys yesterday I had a 379 price target on triple Q, which is where I took profit. And it actually went up even higher, which is okay for me because I've been buying calls since down here. But it went up even higher, and that's when it started selling off a bit. Okay, so 376.6 with off the 5-day moving average. I'm going to look for buying opportunity, and 373 all around here. Okay. Below that would be a false breakout. I will cut my loss and I will switch over to being bearish. All right. So 379 was my price target. It hit. My next price target was 383. It did not hit just yet. It was very close to it. And if we can break 383, my next price target is up here above 400 plus. Okay, guys. So we're going to keep it simple just like that. Triple Q above 373, bullish. Triple Q below 373, bearish. Keep it that simple. Moving on to RK. Now RK had faked the bulls out today. Okay, RK faked the bulls out. We had a breakout. It opened above the resistant level, went up a good amount, had us all excited, and then it closed under the breakout level. Okay, so we got a false breakout. All right, that's pretty bearish. Okay, and if it continue to be bearish, we have a lot of downside. Okay, now let's take out the moving average. And yeah, as you can see, this 200-day moving average is acting like a strong ceiling. Okay, now let's keep it simple. RK, if it can break the 200-day moving average, very bullish, and I'm very confident we can hit my price target of 132 and then 142. Under the 200-day moving average or under this resistance line right here, bearish. You guys understand? And we could hit some of our support level. We have support here at 120, 117, and down here at 114. Okay? So seeing this price action, that's bearish because that's a false breakout. But if it does break back out tomorrow, because this could have been like it could have just been faking out the bears, trying to get us to be bearish, and then they'll push it back up tomorrow. Market makers like to trick us and fake us out, but you guys already know that, especially if you guys been subscribed to me for quite some time. You guys know that, okay? So be careful. If if RK fails to get back above 122, this resistance level, be bearish, back to the downside, okay? If it breaks back above and closes above, be bullish. And let's see if we'll hit my 132 price target. That's a nice move to the upside. Okay, guys? Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Okay? I'm not going to claim to be no stock guru. Okay? I'm just a retail trader just like you. I've been trading for 4 years. And it is my pleasure to be able to assist you all. Okay? But I'm not a stock guru. I'm just your assistant. Remember that, guys. I'm here to assist you. That means you got to do your own research. Okay? And I hope you guys learn how to do technical analysis. If my videos were able to help, I'll be so grateful. I'll be very happy. Okay, so with or without me, I want you guys to be successful. Okay, but enough of that mushy stuff. Let's move on to Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin? All right, well, technically speaking, Bitcoin's still bullish. Okay, it's trading above all moving average. And right now, it's really testing that 13-day. Okay, it's testing the support level. We do not get bearish at support. We get bullish at support. That's where we look to buy. That's where we look to go long. Okay, but I will acknowledge that this is looking a little bit like a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so be careful with that. All right. As long As Bitcoin holds this level right here, which is also where the 20-day moving average is, 59.6K as of right now, I'm bullish, and that keeps the 71K price target in play, okay? But if it breaks below that, okay, I recommend locking in some profits because we could possibly see more downside, okay? We have this previous high over here at 55K, 50-day moving average at 51K, and the breakout level around 49 to 50K, okay? If it gets down that low, I am going to be happy because I feel like that would be a great buy zone, okay? From 50K to the 55K, I'm going to be loading up happily, all right? But if 50K does not hold or 49K does not hold and it breaks down lower, that will equate to, you guessed it, a false breakout, and I'm definitely going to lock in profit and wait on the sideline in cash, okay? Cash position is still a position. Don't let no one tell you different. Okay, guys, so that's what I got today for y'all. I hope I was able to help. I hope you guys had a profitable day today, a profitable week, pretty much. Okay, I want all my subscribers, Discord members, and viewers, and Trade the Market. We got a private Facebook called Trade the Market. If you guys part of that, you guys part of my community. I'm grateful that you guys are, and I hope you guys made a shit ton of money. All right, guys. And if you're not subscribed or anything, please subscribe, hit the like button, join the community. I really believe we can make a lot of money together. Not a little bit, a lot. And if that sounds good to you, definitely join the community. And I'll see you guys soon.